Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Spotify into Home Assistant. And if you're ready, let's go! For this, we are going to use the official integration. I'll put a link in the description to the documentation. You can use integration with any account, but you will need a premium one to be able to control the playback. To set this up, first we need to create a Spotify developer application. For this, we are going to go to the Spotify developer dashboard. Here, you can read the terms of service, click on accept, and accept terms. Let's click and create app. We are going to give it a name. And redirect query, we are just going to copy this one that is in the documentation. Click on I understand and agree with the Spotify developer terms of service, and then click save. Now we need to go to settings, and here we are going to click on view client secret, and we are going to use this information in Home Assistant. Now just go to settings, integrations, click on add integration, and search for Spotify. Here we are going to give it a name and put the information from our developer app. Let's copy the client ID and the client secret. After that, just click on add. We scroll down and click on agree. Here we click link account. This is going to redirect us to Home Assistant. And we now have here our Spotify integration. I set this up with a free account, so I am only able to watch the playback status. If you want to use more than one account, you can do that. And since you already have a developer account, the only thing that you are going to need is to give the new account permission to use it. For this, we are going to go to user management, and here we are going to fill the name and the email of the new account. Click add user, and that's it. Then go to Home Assistant, settings, integrations, click on add integration and search for Spotify, and we are going to log in with the new account. Here we scroll down and click on agree, and again let's click on link account, and this will take us to Home Assistant. Let's just click finished, and now we have our two Spotify accounts integrated into Home Assistant. Since this is a premium account, we do have access to the playback control, so we can pause it and play it if we want. Now, to get the full potential of this, we are going to use another integration.
But Fix, you said that we were only going to use the official integration for Spotify.
Well, yeah, but why stop there? With this additional integration, we are going to be able to select in which device connected to Home Assistant we want the playback to start. Now, this integration only works with premium accounts, so have that in mind. For this, we are going to go to Hacks, Integrations, and we are going to click on Explore and Download Repositories, and here we are going to search for Spodcast. Let's click on download. After it's finished, go back to the main page, and here we are going to click on navigate and then click on restart to restart Home Assistant. Since this is a new integration that we are adding to Home Assistant, we need to reboot it. To set this up, we need to go to Spotify, and here we need to press F12. Then click on application and click on cookies. Then click on the Spotify link, and we are going to copy the SP key and SDC values. And we need to add this in the configuration YAML file. For this, we are going to need the file editor add-on. If you don't have it, you can go to settings, then click on add-ons, and then we are going to click on add-on store. Here we are going to look for file editor, and let's click install. Let's activate show in sidebar and click start. Now we are going to go to the file editor, click on the folder on the right top corner, and then click on configuration.yaml. Here we are going to add at the end the Spodcast configuration. I'm just going to copy it from the documentation, paste it here, and replace the values that I found from the Spotify web. In the example, they are using secret. You can just replace the whole string that you found in the Spotify web here, or you can create a secret. I am going to create a secret because that way it's more easy for me to just keep all my data in one place. For this, we are going to click and search for the secrets.yaml. Here, just going to add the name of the variable that we want to use and the value. And after that, just click save. Now we just have to reboot Home Assistant. For this, go to settings, then click on system, and here we can click on restart Home Assistant. Now I'm going to show you how to use it in an automation. For this, go to settings, then automation, and click on create automation, create new empty automation. First, let's select a trigger. Let's say I want to wake up every morning with my favorite Mariah Carey song. For this, just select time, and we are going to put realistically 8 a.m. Then we are going to add an action, call to service, and here we are going to search for Spodcast. Here we can select any media player that we already have connected to Home Assistant. I am going to select the one that I have right here, and we need an URI. Now to get this, we need to go to the Spotify web. Here we are going to just click on the 3 dots, go to share, and press the key Control in our keyboard or Command if you have a Mac. Now we go to Home Assistant and activate URI and paste it. Click Save, and we can test it. Just click on the 3 dots here and click on Run. For something simple like just playing a song or a playlist, these are the only things that you need to do. But we have more options here, so you can play with them and create an automation that is tailored to your needs. Remember that everything is going to be in the description or in my website.
So there you have it. Now I want to know from you. How would you use it? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I see you in the next video. Bye!